I am officially monetized on my YouTube channel after 1 full year of grinding with long form content, and this honestly just feels surreal, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you all because as a small content creator, I've always wondered what are the possibilities with making money on YouTube with affiliate income, sponsorships, especially with AdSense. So I'm going to share updates with you guys throughout the year about what YouTube has paid me, and I'm going to make a video a month from now showing how much I've made from YouTube just to show you all the possibilities of making some money online on a YouTube channel. And so in this video, I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks I've used to grow my YouTube channel so you can implement it to your YouTube channel and you can start making money online. So I'm currently on my channel, and the most important part is consistency. And you might hear that a lot, but I'm being so honest, it is so true. As you can see, for the last year, I have posted one video at least weekly, and this has helped me stay consistent and not burn out whatsoever. I told myself I'm posting one long form video a week, and for me and my schedule, that is sustainable for myself. So I did that and I stuck with it, and it helped so much because I do see a lot of people out there. They're going to post 3 to 5 videos a week. They're going to do that for a month, and then after a month, you're just going to get burnt out. So I highly recommend make a set schedule if you want to post 1 to 2 long form videos a week, because in the long run, you'd rather something be sustainable than get burnt out after 1 to 2 months. So that is my first main tip on your YouTube channel, is stay consistent, but also at the same time post content that you're passionate about, you want to build an audience with. And for myself, that's with making money online with hustles. And for those of you that watch my channel, I post a lot of content on clipping, and then I've also posted some videos on video editing and UGC content, and these are just different ways of how you can make money online. And I show that across my channel, and that's what people like watching me for on here. So if you make content, of course you want to make content that people are going to want to click and watch, but also make content that you actually like because you want to enjoy the process and the journey of building your own YouTube channel. And so one way I made money with my YouTube channel this past year is with having a sponsorship. And so on this video right here, how to clip neon and get paid, I had a sponsorship from Reka, and essentially I did not have to reach out to them at all. And the most important part, in your description, have business inquiries or something like that, and then have your email. This is how brands are going to reach out to you. And so if you stay consistent and if you are building an audience, brands are going to eventually start reaching out. I have a couple brands that I'm in the talks to right now. I actually have a call in 20 minutes with a potential sponsor on my channel. And something to keep in mind, if you are looking for a sponsorship on your channel, don't just take whatever comes your way. You want to try out their tool or whatever they're offering, try it out, and then after you have tried out their product, you believe in it, then you want to come to the decision of, okay, I'm going to take this sponsorship on my channel. Don't just take whatever comes your way, but you want to promote something that you believe in at the end of the day. So that is one way you can make money, is with sponsorships, and that is what I did. Another way to make money is with affiliate income. And so with Reka, actually with the sponsor deal, I had affiliate income per referral, and also with Opus Pro, it's another clipping tool that I help promote. And essentially, if someone clicks my link and if they sign up with an Opus Pro account with my link, I will get a certain commission of the certain plan that they bought. And so with affiliate income, it is all over the place. I've made on average, I would say 40 to $100 a month with affiliate income. The past month or two, it has been more with Reka just because I have been getting a lot of different signups on the Reka. And of course, I'm getting more signups on Reka AI because they are a free platform as of right now. So that is also why I've been getting a lot more signups with them. And for those of you that are creators out there and you're not sure how you should be an affiliate with a company or how to exactly find one, go to impact.com, and I'll actually have a link down below. And here, once you have made an account, go to discover, go to find brands, and then there are a ton of brands on here that you can find that you can potentially be an affiliate for. Of course, with whatever you're promoting, you want it to do with your audience so you can get some conversions. So you can look across impact.com and see what all you want to be an affiliate for. So keep this website in mind if you're ever wanting to become an affiliate with any type of brand. So I'm now in YouTube Studio, and another important thing you need to do on your videos when you're posting content is you need to run A/B testing titles. And essentially, this allows you to have 3 different titles, and then after a few days or a week or so, in this case for me, 9 days and 6 hours on this particular video, you can run test titles and you can see what titles are performing better in YouTube's algorithm. And in this case right here, this title right here is at 39.8% more watch time. This one 29, this one 31. And so I'm going to have this test keep running for 9 more days, but once it's it's over, it will have the official results, and then you can have then select your best title that performed the best. And you can actually do the same thing here with thumbnails and see what performs better. For myself, I typically only make one thumbnail, but this is just my method right here with trying to maximize the views that I want to get on my videos. And so make sure you try this out right here. And something you can do actually is go to ChatGPT and copy and paste your first original title that you think of and ask ChatGPT to make you more titles for A/B testing. Go through all the different titles it gives you, pick what you think could perform the best, and then those are some new titles that you can use. And that's something that I've done on some of my videos. So keep that in mind, try out that method because it really does help a lot. When you are in your YouTube studio, another important thing you want to do is go down to tags, and you want to maximize the amount of tags you have in your video. And to do this, and so something you can do, I actually use a tool called TubeBuddy. So to utilize tags, go to your search on YouTube, search a title that is similar to your video, and then what you're going to do is click a video that did pretty well. With TubeBuddy, it will show you tags that this other video used that did pretty well. This one got 299,000 views, and what you can do is you can copy their tags, copy to clipboard, go back to your YouTube studio, and then Control V, and then all of their tags will pop up, and then you can pick and choose what tags to remove that don't really have to do with your content. And this to me actually helps out quite a bit because it helps with SEO. It helps to get your videos on people's feeds that search up your content. So try out this method right here because it really will help you a lot. And then of course, the most important thing besides your title is your thumbnail. Sometimes I'll hire some contractors to make some for me. Other times I'll make some myself just to mix it up and see what performs well. Those two things you need to focus on before even your video is your title and thumbnail, because that is essentially what's going to get people to click the video. And as you can see right here from 4 days ago, I made this thumbnail myself, and this video is already at 2,000 views, and it's performing very, very well for my channel. Same with this one right here from 6 days ago. So when you have your concept of a video, focus on your title, focus on your thumbnail, because that's essentially how you're going to get more views. Of course, when you have your video edited and everything like that, you want to have retention so people stay and watch, but this right here is the most important thing. So make sure you focus on those things. And I really hope this video helped you all out. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because I would love you all to join the journey on me making money online and with yourself as well. I'd love to help any of you out if you want to make money with clipping, video editing, UGC. There are so many different ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. And if you don't know, I do freelance video editing for a living, and I work with different clients across the US. And then I do clipping and other stuff on the side for some extra money. So make sure you go watch the videos across my channel because they really will help you out if you're wanting to make money online. And I also have a free Discord community in the description down below. It's completely free. We can all give value to one another. If you have any questions, we'll help each other out. So make sure you join that. Anyways, I hope you found value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.